de qué se trata este show, pero me imagino que les va a encantar ya cuando estén ahí. Join us today, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, and if you are, thank you so much for stopping by. We are G's Family's Adventures, and this is our adventure.
My co-host is going to be up in the stands with you guys all day. We promise to deliver a great show because that's what we do here at Hot Wheels. We go big, we go Hot Wheels. Now, welcome to Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live. To meet the Monster Trucks! Ontario, California, all of us in Team Hot Wheels would like you to help us count down from 10 to 1 for the 4 most famous words in all motorsports. 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4,
competition, not rocket science, guys. Take a look at the video board. Freddie, what are we looking for? 30 points on the line, and Kenny, you know it. It's always anybody's game. Hot Wheels orange track is made each and every year. 100 miles, 2,500 miles, 6,000, or 5. Now hold on. Where's the boss? She's over there. Come on, what do you think the answer is? 6,000. So we know mom's always right at home. Maybe she's right here, maybe she's not. What do you think the answer is?
6,000.
6,000. DJE, the answer is 6,000 miles. There you go, your very own Hot Wheels ID. And for everybody else, the bigger the jaws get, the stronger the claw. Warming up, just feeling a little bit first time on the Hot Wheels track. Throwing back a little Indian air. Oh yeah! Now we're going to bring back. The huge seat grab, looking back to catch the most. One-handed Superman seat grab. Two-handed seat grab, seat grab, difficulty missing. Do not like it. Ontario, they love you. Start making some noise. That is called the Sidewinder. Let go of the mic, get on the side, run next to it. Completely nuts. The heel kick, back flip. No! A little super. Oh, holy crap.
Hot dogs. Smells good. What do you mean it was boring? It's monster trucks, and you have a monster truck in your hand. Look at that. And it was still boring. You're crazy, man. I had fun.
I got drunk.
Okay. She had fun. Bella, did you have fun, Mama?
Huh?
It was loud, huh? Super loud. It was loud, huh, Papa?
Yeah, we get to keep it.
It was.
Yes.
It was very loud. I had to go out there and buy these headphones for my kids because it hurt my ears.
Oh yeah, it was
So I
super,
could just
super,
imagine how, les dolía a ellos.
super loud, man. But you know, we're done.
Ya salimos de este lugar, estaba muy bonito, muy intenso todo. Nos la pasamos bien a gusto.
Oh yeah.
Se los recomiendo. Pero por favor, lleven unos de estos.
Compren allá adentro.
O cómpralos adentro porque sí los necesitan. A mí me dolían mis oídos. Hasta pensaba que se me iban a explotar.
It was loud, like super loud.
It's very loud, so
Man.
just make sure you guys take some headphones. I hope you guys did enjoy our adventure for today, guys. And don't forget, guys, to hit that like button if you guys did. And for you who are watching and you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you can get notified on our next video.
Oh yeah. Guess what? We hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yay! Thank you so much, guys. Y a ustedes, muchísimas gracias porque no lo podemos haber hecho sin ustedes. So gracias.
Thanks for the
gracias,
support,
gracias,
guys.
gracias.
Till next time, guys. Ahí nos vemos.
Hasta la
Palao.
próxima aventura.